So hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Crazy TTP. So I'm making a tutorial series guys here. I want to show you how to use your computer shortcut keys from A to Z. So what I mean about that is I'm going to show you the most basics one from now, then as we go along each and every day or every 2 days or whatever my schedule is right now, is I'm going to show you the from basic up until you become a computer guru. So today I'm going to show you how to use the Control A, Control C, Control X, Control V, and the Control Z. So what does Control A do is the Control A actually it selects, it can be directories or files. So as you see guys, now we have just selected everything here rather than using our mouse. So the other one is using the Control C. So the Control C and the Control X, actually Control C it copies, then the Control X it cuts. So Control A it's a selection, Control C is for copy, Control X is for cutting. Then after we have done that is we can use the Control V. So let me put the focus in this directory now. So if I'm okay, let me start with Control C. Let me say Control A, Control C. So Control A for selection, Control C for copy, then Control V for paste. So you see guys, we just did this using our keyboard. So the other one is Control A for selection, Control X for cutting, then let me put the focus here, Control V for pasting. So it will want us to replace these files because they are already in this direct. So let me say replace. You see now we have nothing here. So using the Control Z, actually it undo what you have just did right now. So let me say Control Z. You see guys, so we just use the Control A, the Control C, the Control X, and the Control V, also the Control Z, as in one, as in together guys. So I've just used the Control A for selection, Control C for copy, Control X for cutting, then Control V for pasting. Then if I made a mistake or I wanna go back for at least once, I can say Control Z. So yeah, for this video guys, I think we are done. So wait for another videos coming soon. So yeah, so if this video helped you, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. It's your boy Crazy T. Peace.